Rene's Mr. Nation, and to my players, welcome to the NAFL podcast, episode number 17. We are coming at you live at the blog, Labtronic Solutions, and if you want to use these podcasting studios, you can send your email at admin@labtronic.sol.za. Snow Leaks, Kunene, a studio, pilot Manyan, can drone pilot.
You understand?
Yes. Coming all the way from Elita, Epposford, Equigny, Cambridge. Kuchawe, Mdange, hey Penyanen, is to Oscar so chow.
Cowed.
Chill. Ukakabe upian? Oh yes. Okay. Mama machola. Oh so okay. Chesa. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Besizamile ke into nje. Sathetha na ngothalita but it's fine. Uzongena later on. Noma bengafuneka kangena. Prawam ala uzi well, I was introducing. Introduce igama nefan, but but introduce either way, and then just let me know is tegeti so ubizwa ngaso. Pindlin ke ngo.
Pindlin.
Yeah.
Mkhuluwa. Okay, no. So yeah, apho esiba ukuthi Mkhuluwa nguLeaks inantsika stage name ngwasemachaweni uzalwa leMpondomizi sihlala lapha eCambridge.
Yes.
I'm an artist producer and I'm also a pilot as ba ubuchilo. Lena ke ngokuye yesiteketiso sasendlini akuthiwa ngonxa Mkhuluwa.
Wo.
Yeah.
Mountain. Indoni.
So there's two parts to the story Mkhuluwa. One part is andithanda ukutya bra.
Oh okay.
Ndandi ndandimkhulu bra. Ndandimkhulu bra.
Wathini?
Ndandimkhulu. Hey. Akukhula Mkhuluwa ndiyazi ke wenza uthini. But bendike ndamkhulu nalapha ngaba 2020 then ndaba busy nale way kuthiwa carnivore diet inyama yodwa sela amanzi lose nge 30 kgs. Crazy.
Awuyitya okanye utya yodwa?
Nyama only sela amanzi.
Noba yintoni na?
Ndithi nyama yodwa.
Senzisho noba inyama yantoni?
Yeah. As long as ba ungayifryishi, as long as ba ungayinanzi ungayithini. So mna ndandithanda uthenga chicken like di-stock ngechicken. Yabo, ndiyazi ba okay either ndizayibilisa okanye ndizayigrilla. Okanye ndiyibhraye bani semdleni.
Man, uthini into kamana?
Oh, carnivore diet. Zokuyigooglisha bro.
Man, because lo mcimbi wongatyi bethe ngcengcazela and benomsindo quick ke ngoku kumaniseka ba bengeno react hlobo babentyile man.
Sustainable as always diet nezantontoni.
Uthi lose how many kgs?
30 kilograms. Kanti kubonisa ifoto ya maybe 2 years ago. Ubugcwele nemkhulu bra.
Yes, how period time frame engba?
I want to say about a year.
Thenga chicken right through.
Thenga chicken bra just.
Boah.
Chicken.
Was fucking konxini eza chicken. Okay, so
so yeah ibe into enjalo ke Mkhuluwa but elo gama ke lisuka kulona ba hey nandithanda ukutya kakhulu yabo. And then the other part was to find out a brass and sendijangile nomdange retire shile sendimdala man ba no man. In fact ndivange sisters umdange
yetama yakho yes.
Ndivange sisters zakhe zibiza yena ngela gama.
Oh.
Disabele. Ngonxa, iphinto nangonxa. Bayamteketisa.
Yes.
Disabele, hayibo Dabs thini no. Athena utata. Hayibo.
Hey.
Sabela ke umthanga ba hayibo ithini yona.
Qabe noma wayesithanda abantu kwasipasa kuwe.
That's exactly what it was. Olathi ina.
Babetheni bona bembiza lo age.
Andikababuzi ke yazi. angababuzi but yeah umdanga kokwabo yo angiqonda
nanivala grand time sure
too much kakhulu bra.
Then mhlambi noba hit you hard, was it COVID or
it was umdanga wayesekhula manje mkhulu wawo yabo ebesegula even nasemapoliseni uyeke ke medical retirement not get retirement age yabo. So I think ndayamkela man ingekafiki kula point, and then I spent a lot of time with him from 2017 up until maybe he passed on in 2022 or so. I spent a lot of time with him. So it was even to the point where I wasn't even working at Ella Claesha. I wasn't even studying. Ingandandibethelwa branda nobandi ngathi kwakuthena but ndangenza into branda ndihlale naye.
Okay.
Yabo ndiyazi noba mhlawumbe ngumphefumula wayesithi khawukuhlale nale chair.
Yes.
Sayibona leyo hustleisha after. Yabo but by the time he passed on, I think I had come to terms with it and I accepted it, and ndandiyibonile uba the way to godwa.
Yeah, it's gonna come through.
Yeah, it's gonna come through. Yabo.
Yeah.
I can't say the same for my siblings because they didn't spend as much time as I did.
I think it's even worse, man, when you spend a lot of time with someone, because now you get accustomed to this new reality. Yobana. So, why was that time the right time for him to go? Yabo? Because I was so accustomed to akho right ubona umuntu omncanywayo ezihlongweni, but at the same time, like, why did he survive so long only for him to go? Yabo elo hlobo lakhona, because nangicinga loo nto ku-olate wangena nansikeni man esibhedlele ngoJanuary. Towards the end, kwathiwa is making progress, uzophuma uzoba grand sharp, hayi na yombona mfansi ba uyaphakama ugrand ngoqondo yabuya, and then phithi anani about discharge engekho grand. Hey ayininzi into engenzi sense ke ngoku, then waphinda wabuyela wawes, then qona jebe wes nje why enga like thena nyamezele noma kuzoba grand kwala nyamezele even though we wes kanti the worst is yet to come still. Yeah, so okondicinga ngoba, so what was this thing wasakasathetha nothetha? So uhlelele noni ke ngo this time akasakwazi nothetha emdala kwayisemdala olid, because distance yeminyaka between mina naye 15 years. Yeah, so she was really old and in 2024. So yeah, so
recent.
Yes.
Last year.
Yeah, 13th of February last year. I know. I think the one they accept mhlambi after a while. Lawa yozulisa Spanish you don't get to think a lot, because that's why in city, why do people stay this long? Ingathi kukho into ezayo grand kani they're gonna go, but hey, it's taking another 10 ngokayifana nale na 20 minutes bese recordela bakhatheka lo hlobo lakhona. Yeah, but okay, so abusithi edladleni kudlala igospel, Luther Van Ross incedile futhi ayadlala because ezana besisithetha apha umhlawumbe bezocapukisa abantu, so it's fine. Ukhule idol yakhe Eminem. Which album ka Eminem uqonda ba this was well put?
Marshall Mathers
20 u2 kanye one.
I one u2 uzophuma usemdala
2013 u2. So u2 does not akalenzi xesha
akwa umnandi u2 ne, but that's the last Eminem album I listened to actually. U2
after recovery Marshall Mathers kanye.
Yeah, after.
Oh, okay.
After recovery u2 one nglo uno Stan uno yo ngizongoma ezipha ezimnandi bra, but yeah, that one was my favorite one. Yeah.
I think also kunzima man I think probably he has produced better work than Lawa, but because the introduction to falling in love with a certain artist, like 50 Cent has made better albums, but to Get Rich or Die Trying will probably be the best, because that's when you got introduced to this artist. There's a fair code. Yamangala we yakhona. Ingathi rap ingathi rap iyayibona uhlobo lakhona. Ubu gangster, uTupac wabenza ubu gangster bana la viciousness uyikwa 50 cents obuniki swag. Fumanise kwa usibona ubethe ifair code now. Bethe zaweza khona. So okay, sure. A Selborne. Yo man, not a Selborne. Ufunde Hudson. Yes, from grade R up until to matric. Yes. Basic. Me realizing about we were not recording. Basically now yobana ubuthumeka ndoni. Yes, we were saying bana nakwi sport nakundono lukewarm yonke la we khona. But what's your ukhumlando ngokuse high school? Scale.
Yo, as Bob and Citron, we sport, angingomntu wesport, angingomntu wencwadi. I was just done the existence nje. Uyabo. Eyona memory as a high school has to do with ukurapper but because I used to do a lot of Brian from Xoka ne. Escale mna da support wala way practically. That's you guys unsupported that chap. Doesn't rapisa futhi mhlawumbe seclassini mhlawumbe class ye EGD or whatever seclassini utishara akekho kuthiwa kuse ka rap phone ka freestyle freestyle
and uqala urapper awunqeni freestyle
uyayibona wena
uyayincanywa nalawe yoba ku abantu be crazy with the way how you construct these rhymes
send him no so that I think that's the main thing that I can say I remember from a high school that I really enjoyed.
You didn't get into those battles, no.
Not really. I mean, there's battles inside esikolweni, but nothing crazy, nothing like okay, ayabonga siyasitiyaling ngosiyobhedlisha nezi. No, none of that. Ciphers iskakhulu most of them.
Sure, yes.
Yeah.
Also naningayenzi lawo yo cleaner ngolesihlanu.
No, cleaner ndo.
Kanene xa ufunda kwezi zikolo thina lo ngolesihlanu kwakuthiwa thatha udesika sibeke apha ecangweni lontoni kugalelwa amanzi kuyakorojwa kuyafakwa kuyashayiniswa qho ngolesihlanu andiphile kamnandi mosingapha anithi nothi i-feeding ntoni pha kuni i-feeding scheme naningayityi pha
into i-feeding scheme
Hey. Kunjalo bomi na because thina I think they were trying kukhona okuthiwa ngugubhukane ngoza sibancinci nomqenya ufumane ikota
ufunda bona ta
andifunda apha kwa-7 i-primary naphuma ndayofunda kwa-11 eluzuko naphuma ndaya kwa-12 Eric Ndonga ndamka ndayekapa eKhanyelwethu eStrand ndaphinda ndabuya ndayogqibezela esinikiwe ngoku yazanifunda esongeze kokhonyiwe kuthiwa ngumqhenya kota engaka galelo ijam na-peanut butter then ufumane umgubo uthiwa ngugubhukane galelwe uthiwa idiva ke at a later stage but ngumgubo ngugubhukane galelwa yena umsela la wenza iqhumulana namhlanje ndibawela uyisela okwandayiguglisha andiyazi uba ngafumana weske ngokwena sozuyazi lo way
exactly
manisiyenza sawe buyi noma kunjani high school ngakho mgqenya nentoni toilet is clean.
I wouldn't go that far. The toilet is clean. Toilet no.
Particularly
toilet mina mkhulu wami ndangafana ngene nongena mina kuze esikolweni.
Awuthisho lo mchamo ka urich kaloku. Kamela noni. No, when you come from that akukho nalanto bakugcwala toilet ufike kuchaywe enje.
No, high school yayikhona lo bra.
Ungene toilet kuchaywe enje.
We bra
so kaloku lofumana ikhule grand ngaloba.
Not that much. Not that much.
Okay.
Yeah, not that much.
Okay.
Izinto bro. Siyafana nezinye indawo ezinye.
Uphuma high school. Phaya ke ngoku high school unjani ke ngoku ku babies.
Bra, and unoqhatha ne?
Yeah.
Swag. Weakest man.
Don't look at it in hindsight, ne? Don't look at it ngoku qonda ba ngoku ndiyafumana. Look at it ngweza zikhathi zakho. Okay.
I think one in high school. I had two. And it was with girls from outside the school even.
Okay.
So ndajola Cambridge naseGunubi.
Do.
Yawoyika amantombazana mna ta.
Nangoku?
Yeah, you. But ngoku it's a lot easier cause
famous.
Cool
and famous no.
And go famous ta mna ndazibona abantu abayi20 mna.
Famous. Obvious uzobuza humble pie uthi don't. But you know ngokuba what's the most viewed video ku TikTok?
Yeah, it's like 1 million.
Yeah, umuntu bathi nazobantu abayi20.
Mkhulwa.
But I understand where you come from. Okay, so uphuma pha ubheka phi ufunda phi? Uphuma high school.
From high school ndiye nansi again NMU. And yazi bra banda accept kanjani for engineering. Da accept for engineering bra. Mechanical. Hey, okay, it's fine. Mandi then they apply for sound engineering eKapa.
Yeah.
Khona in college apha. Xa bona ba responda late. Seyinanziki seyifees zaphasa zibhatelwe.
Zapha enanziki.
Yes. Yeah. And ndizonanzika ke noma ndifunde into engakanani 2 years la way. Yo,
mechanical.
Yeah, that's born by hey. Hi, iyavakala ngoba I was not supposed to be here.
Kokuvakala ntoni na?
Mkhulu
Petrol pump.
Eza thermodynamics nezantontoni. Zazingapha kwami bra. Zazingapha kwami. Yeah, so bra, da nansika nda drop out. Yo. Olate.
Yo kaloku.
Yes,
kaloku imali engaka sesibhatela. Uthi wena yayeka le way. Bekubhetela ungafundi lo 2 years. Uzawutya u10% wala mali uyibhatalelweyo. Then uthini ke ngoku ufika endlini?
Mkhulu. I don't even like to relive as a moment.
Okay.
It was some time. It took some time, maybe a few years for about later back rent, but okay, sure. Yeah, boy, and then that was going to go around about the time umdanga naye starts to get sick ke ngoku.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, boy, starts to get sick umntaka wethu ndihlale naye kakhulu ke ngoku. Yeah, boy. And also ndenza le way yocula ndiyaproduce ndiyacula, running a studio also, yeah, boy. So, yeah, for most of the past few years that has been what I've been doing, yeah, boy, until it got to a point where because I wanted to be a pilot, like ndenzela way piloting even after school. Kala way duru, yabo.
Yeah.
Duru la way. So at that time, abazali weren't able to afford it and say, okay, no. So faka limali ngaka for you by pilot when. Yabo.
Duru mali ngaka.
Yo, bro, it depends on what school you go to.
Approximately nje, because nisafuna by pilot. Take you aviator.
Yeah, mkhulu. Nandi private, ne? So private, it goes anywhere from 250 to, if you go to the school like Port Alfred, Payana price like $1 million meter.
Kenyanga okanye the whole course.
The whole course. The whole course is like $1 meter, and then the commercial side of it take you anywhere from 1.5 to 3.
But number trip one noko iyavakala trip one inika imali serious.
Yeah, and you especially xa unanzi xa uchatarisha.
Okay.
Xa uchatarisha you get to, depends on your experience yakho. Then ubize ke ba okay, distance imali yami enza ibhatalwa per kilometer kind of thing. Let's make an example. Okay, wena uzawuthi
Khandeke Mthatha.
Mandiyobeka Mthatha from eMondi uyabo. Ndithi ke mna okay, 100 rand kilometer. Kilometers usuka apho yotshe Mthatha zingabi zi400.
Okay.
So
100 times 40,000 there.
So 40k for that kind of thing. So iba iwe njalo basically.
Okay.
There's a lot of more.
Yes. Yes, logistics in between. Yeah,
like
okay.
Petrol. There's a lot of things that you need to take into consideration, but basically the in and out of it by way njalo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I think we'll get into these things, but I want to check, man. Also, ukereka phi ngesikhathi?
Hey mkhulu. Hey. Yazi.
Sinophisho pha ingxaki. Ufuna ba uthi awukhonza kubekisana.
Mkhulu. Kona man can khabule nje quick. No man mkhulu man. Andifuna ukuqhatha ne andifuna ufika apha ndi pretend uyabo azange ndakumuntu wecawa mina ngumuntu othandazayo. I believe in God. I also believe in izinyanya. I believe in okhokho. So
yeah man, let's talk ngalo way. Ithetha uthini no way xa sithi umuntu I believe in God, I also believe in izinyanya. Do you believe ba
to me?
Yes. And nacala yabo. So I'm not asking because I wanna demonize or anything. I want to know ba do you believe in them uthini utsho in what context mhlambi xa kwenzeke into uthethe nabo bama bavula indlela izawuvuleka uthethe lo hlobo lakhona. Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
But I can explain it ngolu hlobo mina mkhulwane.
Yeah.
Umdange yena wayengumuntu o cultural. But at the same time wayengumuntu wenkonzo. Uyabo? So nazange ndakumuntu wenkonzo man, I always was done in issue man, and we won't get into that, but I believed in God while Umdange was still alive. Kakhulu, ne?
Sure.
Because I would pray quite frequently and whatnot, ne? And then when Umdange passed on, I started doing this thing of ukuthetha naye.
Okay.
Ukuthetha naye directly ke ngokubana ndithetha nawe Umdange, hey, khathethe nezijeb man.
Oh, sure.
Kwenzeke ngohlobo kanye
lethe makhandlela uqhumisa impepho.
No, andifikelanga ke mina kulo point. Mina into endiyenzayo ndihamba amangcwaba kakhulu but.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, ndihamba amangcwaba kakhulu and then ke mina ndiyothetha nomdange pha.
Okay.
Yabo, so for me iba into enjalo, and I've noticed that xa ndiyenza loo nto leyo i-results ziyavela.
Oh, sure.
Even nangoku ndipasa lewe yobupilot ndithethe nomdange kakhulu.
Okay.
Because i-pass marks aphayana ngo-75%. Yabo, you can't.
Yeah, yo.
Yabo. So you can imagine bana as umuntu ongengumuntu wencwadi it might be challenging. Yabo. So ndithetha naye kakhulu. Yabo. So yeah, I mean it ngolo hlobo, and then ke kweli cala likaThixo I believe ukuthi there is definitely a higher power, and I choose to call him God. I believe ukuthi we all believe different things, and now I will never say kuwe ba no.
Yes.
Thixo ngulona. No, I will never believe zakho zezakho.
Yes.
Otherwise I believe ukuthi God is there, and yeah man, it's an interesting thing man, because I feel like up in South Africa we have been conditioned to be divided, uyabo, and especially as Africans it's either you're on one side or the other. The other side says they demonize, like the church kind of demonizes Africanism and African culture, you know, they look down on it. So as an African first, I like to say, okay, you know what, I accept ukuthi this might be a possibility, but I also accept that abantu basekhaya and the people that I come from believe ukuthi this is the way things were. But other than that, I believe and ndiyathandaza, but also I speak to Umdange kakhulu, and I end up finding that regardless of who I spoke to, izinto zami ziyenzeka, and ndiyanoba if that makes sense.
I get you because I think also belief works just entirely belief. As long as you believe in something, it will definitely come to life.
Yeah, for sure. I would 100% actually 100%.
So if you say you believe in if uthethile, then that means, because kaloku neBhayibhile isikakhulu ithetha ngento zoba kwelizwe sikulo labizwa kwathiwa let there be light yayingumlomo zange kuthiwe ithini so yeah and now ufika uthethe mospa then kwenzeke so mna ndine-understanding yoba anything that you speak life into becomes life yabo olo hlobo lakhona.
For you this goes for both negative and positive things.
Yeah so if for example uthi ndingumntwana amashwa mna.
Oh, okay. That's actually a good point.
Self-fulfilling prophecy. Uyawusoloko unamasho because uzibhiliva njengomntu onamasho. If you believe ba you are the best in something, you will always prevail as the best in that thing because that's what you believe. So, and you know what? The error engekho grand is that in negative self-talk that's when asibhilive kalula than a positive. Because iyakwazi uba abantu abayi-30 bathi untswambo bra oyi-1 athi sikawukho ntswambo then ikhanselisha yabo elo hlobo lakhona. That's why abanye abantu be-vibrator towards abantu bazospika ulife to bona because then ke ngokukhweza hormones ezireleasekayo xa unconywa ugrand ube happy and then neengqondo zakho because I believe yazi eyona nto ebulela abantu artistry ke abantu abazi-artist art-wise self-doubt.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Sometimes uyabawela ukwenza into ethile but yokufika ezaways iquestionishayo ucinge kayi-2 ucinge kayi-3 sometimes uyabawela uqala into ethile engazange iqalwe but yilowe enjalo. That's where ke ngoku as self-talk zisipana khona but ke mhlawumbi thina siphele sifela ngaphakathi because mhlawumbi phela uzincama into ezithile lo hlobo lakhona. Before we get into ke ngoku the series that just dropped was season 2 kaTalita. Let's start with Nasty C and then songena kuTalita and then sivale ngala tournament. Yeah, okay. Ndifuna unike ingoma ka Nasty C.
Okay.
Engu 1 out of 10.
Hey, 1 out of 10. The biased ke mkhuluwa before siqale I want to put disclaimer ukuthi Nasty C ndamncanywa.
Oh yes, we chose Nasty C because uyamthanda uNasty C. Ndimbuzile favorite artist yakhe wathi Nasty C. Yeah. So ke yonke lento comes out of a place of uthando. Yeah.
Ikhona la ngoma yakhe umjitamu kuthiwa ngu UNO lawe. Yeah.
Uno.
Yeah.
Okay.
But why yithi nala ngoma? Yeah, but ngu-UNO ibhalwa uno or ibhala give that 10.
Okay, and yazi nami otherwise. Uma ngu-you okay? Uma uthi ngu-you okay?
You okay la ngoma ne?
Mama, you okay now? You're in a better place now.
I think that's the one.
Oh.
I think that's the one.
Okay.
I think, do I need to explain why I'm putting these songs as...
Yeah, just briefly, Jay.
Yeah, you okay? I feel like that song deserved better production. I think was produced ngokwakhe la mchita la ngoma.
Nala music video, I think subject matter ne was about ummo wakhe ongasekhoyo but beat selection was a trap dondon like
and a brass instrument. Yeah, you okay?
So now when you listen to this song ingadlala eclubini but zinhlungu yabo ibingaske umhlamba afumane eza beats zifana neza send me away. Yabona ke yabona adivele phaka ngokweza ways yakhona. No problem nami ngalo hlobo lakhona.
Yeah.
2 out of 10.
2 out of 10. Masike sicinge discography ka Nasty C.
No price to Nasty C. Uno prices to Mosunglo no choose back and then abe no
khona la ngoma pha ku price city. I understand umjito wami wayezama ukwenza le way yofaka inantsiki yofaka ivenek. Sanifile ikhona la ngoma ethi wenza mambara.
Oh yes, okay.
Yeah, nona yam. Yeah. That one.
Okay.
That one.
Yeah, no. I think there's ugrand kuveneki xa eyenza ngalo hlobo kulaa ngoma yakhe no AKA
Exactly.
yabo xa yenze la hlobo then hayi ke untswambo uzaba ntswambo pha 3 out of 10
yenza cool. 3 out of 10. So we have Price City, we have Bad Hair.
yo bad hair bengu bad hair then bengu
We're on Strings and Playing.
Strings and Playing from Strings and Playing Zulu Man with Some Power
Yeah.
then bezezi two
10. Damn it.
I love it here enye and then enye ngibangana
Masithi ngu switched up.
I never changed
Yeah,
I never switched up okay
Only because it gets better from here.
okay
Yeah, so let's do
switch
switch
up okay
I do believe Uguti, the visuals could have been better. Payana, I do believe Uguti. Yeah, there was a few things. Then 4 out of 10. That's when we start getting to Masiti Bam Bam.
okay
City Bam Bam. Yeah. Bam Bam. That's when we started to get the glimpse of the superstar that can make a song out of anything.
yeah
Then 5.
this uyazincanywa ke is
Yeah, 5. Masiye ku ikhona la ngoma yakhe no Eric Rush la ngoma Forget.
Oh, yes.
That's what.
Just to forget that it hurts yabona ke uyu okay if ebelela hlobo
Exactly.
okay
Exactly.
yeah
Understand? Oh, okay. Now we say
nocingisisa bangoku kushiyeke 1 2 3 4 okushiyeke 5
figure 5.
kufuneka ucinge ba
Yima ufika kwethu ku 10 out of 10. Do we revisit the list or?
we can do that as well
Okay.
we can do that
I get good. Let's say, excuse me. Sikban was 6.
yeah 6 out of
6 out of
10
10. Let's say,
hell no awukanye awuzumfaka at all kule list
hell no, it was actually quite nice, bro. I said the Boku bucks, ain't too much, ain't too. Boku bucks,
okay
Zulu Man.
okay
That's a 6. Then we'll give Hell Nah the 7.
okay
Hell Nah was I think everything about Hell Nah I loved it. He dropped it on his birthday, I think. He produced it. It was the song after Juice Bag.
Yes.
And it was, bro, it was a nice win for him.
I haven't gonna quit
Yeah, and
okay
the message also, the production is very simplistic.
Yeah. yeah
Now we're doing 8,
9 10 more kuseko send me away kuseko Juice Bag remix kuseko All Strings and Blings kuseko Mrs. Me
Yo,
kuseko
Yema. Okay. Yeah, there's
yo no they call it but I know I ngangeni pha yo
what have I done? Okay, so 7.
so 8 out of 10
8 out of 10.
yeah
Ikhona la ngoma yakhe no Breeze pha ku Price City called AIM As Is Mine.
okay
That ass is mine. Na, so guilty. So guilty. Yeah, ngemnanda ngoma.
okay
Number 9.
number 9 out of 10
9 out of 10.
this song's okay. And strings and blinks and strings and blinks.
I'm thinking
It's
that
me.
too. I'm thinking that too.
Oh, send me away.
Will send me away. For me, it's a 10 out of 10.
Okay. Unansika Mrs. Me nothing.
No.
Oh, awumncane xa ithetha ngothando. Phofu send me away luthando.
Yeah.
Oh, sure.
But
Juice Bag nothing.
Juice Bag is Juice Bag already gets the recognition that it gets, man. So.
Oh, sure. I get it.
I want to say strings and playing.
Jigga jigga on a man. Na. Okay.
Jiki.
Yeah. Kushake 2 phofu masinganantsiki.
Masifaka strings and playing pa.
Okay.
And then sifake la
Send me away.
10. Then siphinde sibuye.
Okay. Blings. Bengo SMA. Unayo nje ingoma nalomntana. Ithini kanene la ngoma yakhe nalomntana? Nalo ayenza naye apha. La Send Me Away. Unayo
They have quite a few songs.
Bad Hair. Ithini la ngoma man. Are we just gonna stand like this forever? Feels like I'm floating.
Wait,
There's emotions.
Which version have I been listening to?
Ukhona phalo. Bayenza le way bayenza ku SMA.
Same thing. Similar.
Yeah. Uchuma namnana pha. Yes, Scandilibele.
I did a relationship. And it's a heartbreak song. Okay, it's more on the side of.
I think it's a heartbreak song. I think. I'm not sure. Cause uyabuza pha ungena ngale verse lomnana le ngoma ndiyazi from James Young mna the verse are we gonna stand like this forever? Feels like I'm floating with these emotions. I know I'm gonna let you down. So nani yanda yafika yaklika ngoku ayenza yena but dilibele man dilibele la ngoma yakhe lamnana kalo simazi from pha ingoma yabo noba ingoma yabe esithathu le yeah.
Utheni ningayazi mina le uthetha
ngayo? Uzoyazi xa imamela.
I think so.
Uzoyazi xa imamela.
I think so.
Because I think
wena mkhulu wazifika njani kuwe ezingoma because ndincediswe nanguwe apha zifika njani ezingondivele ndibe blank mkhuluwa asithiwa okay split it top 10 ngivele ndibe blank
nam ndicinga sometimes ndicinga after but one time ngoka KO like xa ndicinga ngo-KO one time ngoka KO
wasn't it the Cash Time thing?
No, ku-album ka-KO. Ukunantsika uku-Skanda Republic one time. Imagine uSkanda Republic, unoSkanda Love, uno-Mission Statement. I mean, one time.
Crazy. Karakara wayekho
Mark.
Karakara waye single.
No, I think uphawu Karakara. Soze kaloku bene smashes till like ubusishiye nje. Soze ungasifaki kalopha. And also it adds to what have you sold altogether. But okay, sure. Okay, so uthini? Usathe nge-SMA, Strings and Bling, S is Mine, Hell No.
Buku Bucks, yeah.
Yes, bengu Forget. Bam Bam, Switch Up.
I want to switch Buku Bucks no Forget.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Forget 6 out of 10.
Yeah. And then Buku Bucks is in 5 10 spawn ba.
Okay.
From up there.
And then we'll switch up. Pressure or perform club number of pressure.
Pressure. Unsuhamba pressure bra. Chalile phala nani.
Yo, awumfakanga uJack awuphofuza the recognition senayo. Awumfakanga no easy. Awumfakanga no King.
Oh my goodness.
All of my niggas ahead of the time now. Put the future behind us. King.
Yeah, King was nice.
King was okay.
Yeah, King was nice. Weirdly enough, the singles is Zulu Man with King where was Strings and Blings.
Strings and Blings, no SMA, uno Strings and Blings, uno Mrs. Me, uno yo.
Naba Chiki kubabiza.
Yeah.
Strings and Bling was crazy, almost flawless, almost as good as ooh, I love it here. Okay, there's definitely something in there.
Yes.
There's definitely something in there. Release me ngicela umbeka ku
Ithingane la ngoma. They don't tell you, but that don't do it.
Do it. Okay, here's the thing. Most of these songs are like a 7, 8 out of 10.
Okay.
So now it's like you only have 1 7, you only have 1 8.
Sure, okay.
So I'm trying to think, because ndiyamfuna la easy. Ndiyamfuna u release me. Chalile phala mchita.
Soft about soft. Okay.
No. Engathi urelaxile umjida wampa.
Uphila ubomi kaloku ngoba ekudala uphila ufikile ngoku pinnacle of his career.
Yeah. So
another question ke ndiye ndibuza about, do you think he has peaked now okanye there's still more to come?
Bro, I'll never say someone has peaked now, because something can happen in someone's life that just changes your perspective on everything. Uyabo. Asiyazi ba mhlawumbi if angalahlwa ngu semi heavy.
Yes.
But what kind of bag can he tap into? Asiyazi, uyabo. People create art from experiences.
Yes.
Yabo. His current experiences now, ilento ithetha ba make nemali.
Yes. Independence 100%.
He's just relaxing umchita. He doesn't care about our opinion. He doesn't care about my opinion.
Obvious. Yes.
He doesn't care about what rappers think about him. He's not making music for me.
Yeah.
He's making music for whoever is willing to appreciate the music. So I will never say he has peaked. Umchita is very, very talented and he's hardworking. But that's why he's my favorite, because but I think Masiya got a list.
Yeah, namdicho.
Yeah,
so be closing in Swambo le uyenzileyo. Be closing in Swambo. Okay, let's get into you ke ngoku. When do you drop your first single? What was it?
Okay, so let's talk about I think the first single that you drop Ileo streaming platforms actually, because before that I go Audio Mac,
data file host, data file host, Audio Mac, SoundCloud, Boza kanye ungakananzi kuBoza
data file,
MP3
zange nda-uploada kuyo
phofu awunofunda Hudson upload ukasi MP3.
Audio Mac, SoundCloud, Dropbox, data file host. Those are the ones that I used to put out izinto. And then hayi boy ngenaphi Hudson
that's so ghetto kasi MP3 and man because kungoma zami ndazifakayo pha ezi12 sithi ufuna banika 12 songs yavala yonke. No, I used to rap from 2009 ndayeka 2017.
Damn.
I used to rap. Elihlobo rap ngalo lelihlobo umculo nandumamela and andithanda nami ubhala ngalo.
Damn.
So that was a breath of fresh air. La nansi kuyibethileyo pha kula Four Horsemen. Fuck. Ngikhumbuza qona yar Thixo wami babe nisakwazi ubhala emhlami nami ngokubenzithi. Ustoki Thixo is one artist and then sandithi more. I must rap again, man. Unenza unika la uvuselelo la sana, but ke andisakwazi move past 4 lines. So that's my thing. I think there's a freestyle I tried to write ngo 2020 ngona abantu bahleli bangamamela, but nansekhumbula kodwa ithi the Black Panther lyrical black center, hope for my people, they keeping me at the center, the ray of sunshine at the tunnel that they enter, the mission through my music until I'm an ancestor.
You were conscious, bro.
Yeah, I used to. I used to make those type of don. And as I work as Manswan, because the cipher is serious. So I'll figure it out. We bash it because that's a 40. Got Black Center. Hey, I wouldn't so yeah.
Yo, most of the time when I would attend the ciphers as in Jalo Brand, ndimvuma uba uyatyhala brand uyakhumsha brand understand uthini.
I was not that Kamnak because even now the Black Panther, lyrical black center, hope for my people, they keeping me at the center, the ray of sunshine at the tunnel that they enter.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah,
so
it was not
right
the diabolical, chronological mystic. It was not that. Yeah, as always I call. No, it was not that.
It's always a cannabis.
For me, I tried to rap in such a way that kunotwa iolid lam lebawuluva kanti ivezi ngoma zakho live ba noko wenza into uthetha into enesense yabo umakazi used to say bana khanye ku rap English khakubethe ngesixhosa so ke nandisibethe nesixhosa umndani ngombetha ondondon umakhwekwetha ezowenza khona yabo so it was a mix of ezowenza njalo
kololo rap ngesixhosa.
It's not easy because amagama are limited esixhoseni. So yazi ba if umuntu uthethe ngombetha kuzolandela umakhwekwetha and then bengumkhwetha and then bengubetha yabo elohlobo lakhona. So yazi ba and ke ngoku Z 1 2 3 4 and then you switch to another rhyming word mhlambi uthi bhala uzawuhlala uzawukhala uzawulala and then you move on to elohlobo lakhona. So yeah, then funeke ngoku uzame creative ways zo switch sounds fumaniseka ba abona
one dimensional.
Oh, Eminem get that's when they made Orange abene rhyming words angambizi Orange because something orange yabo elohlobo lakhona. So isixhosa ngosifuna ube conscious of londo okanye umhlambi ube ngoyifana umhlambi uyiva later on ba high school laphuma ngo AY4 njenge papa andazi ngepapa nandona so A/4 kupapa nomama then high school waphuma ngesymbol ezingu A/4 yabo we catch her later on but ngokayithiwe uthini nalomuntu yabo elohlobo lakhona 3 months Cup now has been able to capture this thing yesixhosa from the spaza soqala to the Xhosa wave ikhoyo ngoku flawlessly so yabo so
what the prize and drop or something also recently.
Yeah, I think there's couple in like Game of Thrones if I'm not mistaken. Then there's a couple call and call me on your phone call na which was originally Kamapi wayenza into njalo ngo 2020 2021 but ngokuba ngenile ke ngokubonke ke ngoko this time. So yeah, uThalita nawe wenze into special ngoThalita because yeah, I think because attention span is but the streaming is trying to get it back, but to be able for umntu amamele yonke into from start to finish iwork there because to them to urban based streaming platforms I'm also okay and when we khatha xa esemotweni athi uzawungena okay so you want to listen to the next one and so on and so on. What sparks this idea kuwe?
Oh man, what sparks the idea? I don't want to lie. Ikhona open verse ndingumuntu we-open verse challenges kakhulu mna because lo nyaka bendicela uba yazi ntoni I want to build myself on the internet before I start being on the ground ke ngoku.
Sure.
I want to have a presence online because then I'll be able to ubana knock on doors ndivulelwe uyayibona la. So I was doing a lot of open verse challenges. Ikhona ebendandiyenza ngo-April eyayisithi last night kwaJeff. Okay. Yeah, so it's a story time. But then balisa ngento yobana kwenzeka ntoni ndisando perform at Jeff whatever. Then until what. That was the first video of me rapping ngomculo wami that got like something over 10,000 views. I think at the time it got 40,000 views or something like that ku TikTok yabo. Ndayibona naniba abantu bayandithanda xa ndenza lento. But then I didn't follow through with it until last October, around about October, khona lamchita kuthiwa nguScale MC lamchita ubalisa TikTok. Wabetha story time. Wabetha ingoma. Phofu ingabethanga story time, sorry. Wabetha ingoma based on ezaa story times zakhe. Ngomani izinto hanana kuza story times zakhe.
Oh, nayibona la okay. Yeah.
So wabetha open verse clear way.
Oh.
Yeah, so nandana la way ba lo mchita I want him to notice me. Yabo because ngiyafuna ukunspane naye lo mjidi ngathi nevision yabo. Okay, Lex khawukhwele kule way stand out kanjani na kule way because surely baninzi abantu abakhwele kule way nomjida mase promoter le ngoma and yazi ntoni bethi story time kule way lo mjida sibona zathi bethe ke ngoku story time sikathalita ale bhake
oh ingxaki
I know that in a good way.
Okay.
Sure. Oh wow, this is getting a lot more traction than I'm used to. Yeah, bro. It started blowing up. Abantu were like, iPhone part 2. Hey, part 2. That okay, sure. Part 2. Ndamenza part 2. Nalamjita ke wayinotice la way one reposter. Ndambetha part 2. No part 2 and I started going crazy. Reposter na part 2. Ndambetha part 3 ke ngoku. Part 3 that was the one that went crazy. Nguye lo uzafika ku
million.
Yeah, that's the video that's gonna I think people just loved it because the duko payana and the way I was flowing, and it was just and it was a relatable thing. Bye, figure more always talk like it was that one. After that was when I was like, okay, this is gonna be something. I'm gonna do a full story on this, and but I'm going to do a full story on this. And then as band is here part 6, part 7, people are saying, but why are these things isn't on Spotify? And then I was saying, but hey, Brazanzo was Spotify because it beat
yes, obviously.
Yeah. They were like, iPhone Spotify. And then I was just like, let me just reproduce. Let me take out a beat,
yes,
created a beat.
Sure.
Then Spotify. Then Zalo season 1. Abantu ke bakhalazayo bathi oh hayi ufake ngosebenzela beat yokuqala. I have to keep explaining ba andizukwazi beat
right awunazi
exactly uyabo understand as I was like, hey guys, there's nothing more I can do at this point. You either going to listen to it or you're not. I'm like nanzi way nigil. And then season 1, after I put out season 1, I was like, okay guys, if season 1 does well, then I'm going to continue with season 2. Bro, season 1 did amazing things. It's doing numbers that I've never seen before with streaming platforms. I think with Spotify, I think it's about 80-something thousand streams. I've never seen those numbers before. YouTube, it's about 70,000 streams. Apple Music is about 20K. So then I was like, okay,
this works.
You've spoken. Nangu season 2. Then go on season 2. I did the same thing. So currently, I'm in the process of promoting season 2.
Oh, sure. Okay. That's season 3.
Season 3 will be up to support.
Also, another thing about the theater. But it's going to be a long stretch for Lamjita or actually visuals, because I think the story
deserves a visual, bro.
Think ngoku of it in a story in that understanding. But okay, even both Nasekumgan man, they do have a series of Khalamunga. Yes. So you can hit them up with your idea about produce something like this.
Godfather, was I killer la yes such a
nabo season 2 I think ngokuba basando nani bamkhupha kudala and then mane trend ake parts esithile so bensitsho ke ba it would be better if you could hit up abantu who are already doing this and then just take it from there ke ngoku mhlambi for as of visuals. But guys, I'm working on this while mhlambi upheka season 3 yazi ba season 1 season 2 uzawubenza babe mhlambi season 1 all together when it comes to a video, because yes ndithi kanjalo but obviously when you go a pilot go thingayo in other brains
thoughts and so that I'm just working on behind the scenes but la way definitely it needs a visual because that visual will take it to, I believe, another level.
Yes so how can abantu badibane nawe bakusupport yonke la way yakhona?
Very simple. At Lix Kunene on all streaming platforms. TikTok, Lix Kunene. Instagram, Lix Kunene. Facebook, Lix Kunene. Whatever platform you are on, Lix Kunene. LIXXKUNENE. Lix Kunene. Spotify, Lix Kunene. YouTube Music, Lix Kunene. Everything, Lix Kunene. Otherwise, yeah, ndifumaneka kuzo zonke mani platforms under the same name. Bendike ndayicinga mani laa nto no mani igama lam malifane across the platforms too. I like to make things easy for abantu abazayiconsume content yami ingase if ulapha kweli cala usearch uLix Kunene. I'm the only Lix Kunene who exists. So if you search uLix Kunene, uzanifumana. Doesn't matter what platform you are on, Lix Kunene. Yeah, mkhulu.
Do you have any message?
No, I do not.
Okay.
No, I do not.
Ibebe.
Hey, mkhulu. Ndifocusingly mkhulu wami.
Abekho abantu bakuthathayo ba hey bhuti no and abasisi baka TikTok ayo bayabhala uthi hey nayiko lento kwenze yona talent abafaka mina
but fortunately for me kuba njongene naleyo endijongeleyo mkhulu bensanda ba ku relationship at the beginning of the year.
Okay.
And then that ended and I was like yazi ntoni let me just focus.
Impilo soyindo I've been in a relationship like 10 years ago. And so yazi isizathu abantu abahlukanela sona.
Mali mkhulu.
Iyafuna okanye kungabinayo okanye
kungabinayo apha kum. So for a lot of things, for example, mhlawumbe umntana abantu wants to do into ezithile. Yabo. And then I can only do that once every 3 months kind of thing. Uyayibona la way because le way ndiyenzayo mna iyacotha imali le way brand umqathi.
Obviously. Even nale ndiyenza angenza imali. I've been doing this for 3 years. Angenza nothing. And it's taking from me. So I do photography only to finance this.
Reinvest.
Yeah, maybe it's gonna pop up someday.
It has to, yeah. So iwayenjalo ke and I suppose ke mhlawumbi omnye umuntu is not willing to wait uba mhlawumbi siyazi ulikhaya uzawupopa nini. Siyazi uzawupopa next year okanye ngo-2027.
Xa nobuya mhlawumbi ngo-2030 man ndayicinga man. I think this
no it's fine.
It's fine, but makabuye kanye.
No, it's fine. No, it's fine, maka. Yeah, no,
grandpa.
She can.
Sure.
Yeah. Nothing against her, but it's okay. I think that was the second time we were trying that one. Because I tried before. We were in a relationship for maybe I think 4 years.
Bro.
Yeah, bro. I thought she was the one, bro. Yeah, 2023. Around about this time, around 2023.
Yeah.
January, February this year.
Yeah.
So ndabenqona bro.
Kwesithathu kumnqakatho wabuya nithatha.
Mkhulu.
Thini kangasiyenze lewe masibethe yona and then since nje closing remarks and then ke takubambezela isidala. Okay, so uneke artists eziyi-16 we'll do a tournament against artists eziyi-16 and then when we're done and then ke that's it.
Okay.
I think we will start with this side and then this side and then Sistibanise later on. So kubani nowina between Nasty C and Pretty Ugly?
Nasty C.
Okay, Pretty Ugly aphuma. Question or Kane Kid?
At what, Carl?
Okay, I think when I'm thinking about I'm trying to think number at what because Gogo is about unfair mdaneni classes out on but said rapping.
At rapping?
I said rapping because Keba's the rapper almost either way.
I want to say Questa because he has more experience. Yeah.
Okay. Pro Kid youngster.
Pro.
McLaren or AKA.
At what? At rapping?
Yeah.
Oh, Kinen, I love AKA. AKA is top 5. But at rapping, he doesn't take that one.
Swear poem. Okay, yeah. Done with the foil. Aries, Young Chief.
No, man. I'm going to say Young Chief only because Young Chief does more than just rap in English.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
KO Nostrav.
Oh, damn it. I want to say KO because KO raps more than Usjava. Usjava raps
And
no
sings, yeah.
But when he does rap, uyabulala uSjava, but KO mkhulu.
Proverb no Kulichana.
Zithi Casper Nyovest no Kulichana mkhulu man.
Okay. Casper Nyovest Kulichana.
Mazumkubi Nyoviolis.
Okay. Mangati, it's fine.
Yema. Angicingile actually.
Soza featurisha Kulichana. Soza Kulichana kan nige feature. Oh no pha Kulichana. Okay, mangati soza. Okay, mangati soza. Sorry. Ngicing abantu manipulate ngoku sorry. Ndimo wrong. Askis. Phumile Nyovest.
I don't want to say Casper was rapper, bro. Yeah, rap Casper, bro. And he's very highly slept on. Yeah, boy. There's just something about Khuli, even though he raps in Tswana, most of the things I don't understand what he's saying. Let me put Casper because I understand most of his raps.
And then about Sivumelo. No, masiyeke. Sithi uproverb no P.O.
Dimoshile ngala exchange.
Yeah, because ngoku kushike bona wethu ngoku. And boba ithu baya rapper.
I'm gonna go with P. Dot.
Okay.
Hometown hero mkhulu.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so kushike uyanga Chief Kulichana P.O no KO. Now siyawelisa ke ngoku across London. Nasty C Younger Chief.
Nasty C.
Oh, shame khot. Questa Kulichana.
I got deep mostly way.
Yeah.
Questa mkhulu.
Questa win.
No Kulichana
yeah. Okay. Bro Kid no KO. Tiningo bro ula.
Uzobona Bro Kid.
Puma okay. Angifila man. Bengo Maglera no P.O. Yeah, at least I think it's fair. Whichever you go with, I don't think people will be mad.
Achalo P.O.
Okay. Even
though I would say I listen to mhlambi more of Maglera in terms of musically, I think if Tata rapper, yeah.
Okay. Now Sizo T Nasty C no Questa.
Damn it. Just take rap in Questa bendimunisile kubanibani because nje I rapper more than English.
Cooking Kid.
Nasty C rapper in English. But we kwabile la language. Maspina sibuya ngaleyo mkhulu.
Okay. Bro Kid no P.O. I'm sure no P.O. would agree with this one. Whatever you choose here.
Oh, pro ya rapper promise the pro.
Okay. Yeah. So Bro Kid we are go finalist. Bro Kid between the two. Nasty C no Questa. Questa is battle tested. Wayedisiwe ngubig Zulu.
What response?
What response?
With what song?
Quandam.
Damn it.
Fuck. Quandam, wabuyisa Quandam. Kwabuyisa uKO pha. Kwabuyisa uKO. Kwabuyisa uQuesta ngoQuandam. Lona yengo Omega freestyle. uQuesta yengo Quandam. Balena ne uDuncan wayengo London. No Babuso ya. Then kwabuyisa uCasper Nyovest ngalawe yakhe ndilibele bayithina. Then ndilibele wehlanu wabuyisa yapha kuBig Zulu. But kuzo zonke ezi Questa
yazi leka Duncan yes. but
uzukhumamela uNansika uzukhumamela uQuest
uQuantum ne
uzukhumamela
thetha ngoBig Zulu pa
kaloku uBig Zulu wangusomateksi so andiyazi
damn it
uzukhumamela uQuantum then kulandela kuqala lena kumuleka quest kulandela uOmega then ke it got personal man lena ka Duncan and andithanda isport esiwelayo
to the real life things ke ngoku
because you can come to me and rap about the persona ungumrap on a persona umrap onSwambu and then usoka yi1 and all of a sudden thatha izinto personal persona iphi ngoku ubuphi ubaNswambu ngoku xa uzawuthi umuntu aphikisane nawe uhambe wena yabo weza khona I feel like there must be lines that cannot be crossed
you don't cross
when it comes to this thing so kum ke that's but ke ngabo ke waphinda uBig Zulu I think wadrop anyway naye waphindisa uDuncan so it's been this back and forth for a while now but mna ke
and bobayithu hamba se KZN mos
but ke Big Zulu obviously is more commercial than
he has more commercial success
so masiyeke
I'm going to say Nasty C here's why final ndifuna ibe new school versus
old school okay
it's not fair to always have the OGs to be
okay
even though the OGs
paved the way
new school versus old school whoa. Nasty C I believe is more commercially successful than Pro Kid was so he doesn't need Lewin Pro Kid
okay
I need Lewin
okay nansi ke king rap yasa South Africa Pro Kid and I'll pick isindo nami Pro Kid he has an appeal nakumachita seHudson
clean
appeal nakumachita seMdantsane nawachita seKapa kaba ngabaXhosa all together but bayamvubuthini
if you are African nje
unamaphile amachita seKZN unamaphile anywhere in South Africa
he had that thing where he made you feel him yabo and yazi pride
upro inja yam mabange seSPCA imagine rapping ngazikulo minyaka yabo and ufaka abantwana unayo la ngoma bro ngiyancanywe nansika yakho ile ngoma qumdurum yiyo le ntitha ngayo
wena
thina uthini ngopro aphinda ungaphela umoya sana aphinda benazo ne-love songs do better Proman has been able to aphinda be-grand nako-features fumaniseka uba ubufake iverse kaBro endaweni ethile uqonda bro bungasoze uyenze kalpom yakho into enjena but because ngichaza naye la verse yakhe ku-Blackless Freedom of Fame uzukhumamela if no reason naye no bro from sundown to sun up mele ushintshe route and one about now there's no need to
2010 or something
ushaya iPakistan ngebomb threat I'll never run out Shovi Strat nge-poster boy same way I'm supposed to boy kyaba roaster boy
yayikhula jebo bra
uthi John sa foster boy in the same scheme uthi
at that time even
yabo I don't think it was 2010 I think it was 2014 kanje because of Blacklist I don't think it was 2010 as cut is for reason go 2013 2012 2013 2014 so I think it was around that time because reason was why say go oh no it's no sleep yabo then
so to me at that time
so Pro Kid King nansika yakhona bro okay so on 5 this Friday we have a karaoke night up at studio you can come through
karaoke for thina abantu abangawazicula
ngarap
ngarap
In fact ungafaka ibeat ubethele away yakho story yesiyana.
Bethe lo way. Oh, okay.
Yeah, umuntu uyazikhethela. Cha ke it's just a celebration man ka 7K. Yabo ubulela nabantu but
congratulations on that too.
Yes, thanks. So yeah, Friday please come through. Izabe ngekaphumi on episode ne.
Okay.
Because kuseku episode ezi3 ezingekaphume before one. Otherwise
I understand.
Benibawela iphume ngalamini mina sibukele before siqale but say more than an hour izotya ixesha elininzi.
Yeah, it makes sense.
So yawuphuma next week not after the so but xa ukhe waza apha waperforma okanye wacula then xa seyiphuma ulamfana mantwana benantsika karaoke yabo. So it you get a different umuntu ongayazi irap ongayincanywa irap xa bekhe wakubona kwi-karaoke night usibethiwe yakho
you can win someone over
yes.
Okay.
So yeah, if ube nalo isikhathi from 5 until 10 just come through.
You're sitting at 5?
The 5 this Friday. Yeah.
Is it 5?
Say December ndivuke benilele mana vuka ngo3 bo ayakhawuleza uDecember sengo3 late ndisanovuka yabo. So yeah, just if you can man come through and we so tell now sizabana in a session a blind date ba.
Okay.
Ngana wangola must blind date akho
ndithe. No, you are. Anxa inoncokola mkhuluwa yes.
Clean ke. Sendikufunele umuntu. So yeah, thank you so much for coming through.
Thank you for having me.
We can do this. I think we can do this, man, for next year. We can do this every time you want to come through and chop.
I appreciate that.
Just let me know, yabo. In the nomsindonga lepa la 20 minutes yeah says abonakala ba as record because I don't know what direction it would have gone to, yabo. But that's why in City you can come back again because we might miss things that we said there, but because we sense our City and this is happening now, Saibona after the record. So yeah, thank you so much for coming through. When you watch this episode, watch about it now.
I'm proud of you, son. I'm proud of you, boys. Usebenzile son. This thing ayikolula le way son and usacrifice it. Ngancama boy just because izinto azihlangane as quickly as you thought they would. Mhlawumbe ayizupopa into next year but as long as you keep praying, as long as you keep talking to umtango uzaba grand son, as long as you keep grinding, as long as you keep working, don't compare yourself to abanye abantu. Yathanda uyenza lonto leyo wena. Don't compare yourself to abanye abantu. Everyone is good at whatever they are good at. Now you are good at what you are good at. Yabo. So ndifuna nona yami relax tunele way yakho. Copy art yakho sani. If people like it, people like it. If people don't, it's fine. I don't want you to say bana I'm a failure because his dreams zami zilow glendo. I'm a failure because in the as long as when art yako is true to you and true to yourself and who you are, that's a win, son. Yeah.
1 hour, 12 minutes.
Damn it.
So this has been the Nightful Podcast, episode number 75. Please, man, name checkishe. I think xa uhlala endaweni bingaske abantu balendawo xa uthenga kwaSpa jini nakula mfana there's a stamp nesistemp esibekayo ba they're actually paying attention. So if ever ungwalapha around and you are watching isilandane ku5 ku-top 5 let's take isilandane masithathe ibe number 1. Yeah, we need more people abazawuba kwenza i-art apha behlala apha so that omnye osakhulayo akwazi believe but this thing is happening, this thing is real, this thing can happen nakum. Yabo. Yeah, you don't have to go sikhule thina kuthiwa hambe eGauteng
to an extent even nangoku
Hamba eGauteng man, but ingxaki wonke umuntu eGauteng abayicingi loo nto ba eMpumalanga abacala ba yeJews, abayicingi ba KZN kuthiwa yeJews, naseKapa kuthiwa maba yeJews. So khacinge ke ngokwena usuka from a disadvantaged province, hayi ndon uyawufika kukho umuntu orapper 10 times better than you, ubone ba athi you hayi ba abandithathanga kulaa ndawo bendiye kuyo, qonda yes wena bangakuthathi mna, yabo. So even though ubunothathwa wena, but because of usawurandwe zingqawa pha, yabo, most nabantu badlala soko umuntu ohamba ye ku-playoffs abona abantu abantswambu abe nervous and angaperform grand olo hlobo lakhona. Kanti if we can give a commercial value to Eastern Cape, we don't have to leave. And ke ngoku amehlo ajonga apha awajongi kwezinye indawo for entertainment, and then that's how we grow. So yeah, thank you so much for coming. Yeah,
thank you for having
this has been the NAFL podcast. We are out.
Danko.